Well, hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial on how to use Griply to manage tasks efficiently. Stop checking off boxes and start achieving what actually matters. Most of us are busy, but very few of us are actually productive. If you ever reach the end of your day only to realize you did a lot of work but none of it moved the needle on your long-term dreams, you're in the right place. In this tutorial, we're going to be doing a dive into Griply, the all-in-one goal planner, habit tracker, and task manager that's designed to bridge the gap between your daily grind and your big picture vision. We're going to walk you through the entire ecosystem, from defining your life areas and vision to building smart goals. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your organization journey, by the end of this video, you have a world-class system to manage your time and your life. Also, if you want to try Griply yourself, go ahead and use my link down below in the description to try it out for free and follow along with me step by step. First, let's talk about the foundation. Griply isn't just a list, it's a hierarchy. We start at the top, life areas. When you first open the app and you navigate to life areas and vision, this is where you map out the big buckets of your existence. You have your working career, your sports and health, money and finance, personal development, fun and relaxation, and more. And of course, if you want that more, you can go ahead at the top right corner and click Add Life Area. Now on the free plan, you can have up to 9 areas, which is actually plenty to get started. Once you click on an area, each area allows you to define your vision statement. So if you go ahead and click on work and career, for example, you see your vision, which is what you can actually click on to write. So go ahead and write your vision. If you're still thinking what to write, here is something on the right side. What makes a good vision? So it explains a summary and provides some tips. Dream big, define your passion, be specific, visualize success, reflect and adjust. Now this is the why of your life area. If you go back and click on sports and health, your vision might be to have the energy and mobility to enjoy life without physical limits. And this is a good vision. Having this written at the top of your dashboard ensures that every task you add later has a purpose. Now let's move to the goal planner. This is the heart of the site. So once you go over to the goal and you hit the create goal button or the plus button right here, you get to add some details. Griply doesn't just ask for a title, it guides you through a SMART goal framework. You get to set the name, the life area of course, which is sports and health or something else, and then you have the impact. Then here, if you scroll down, you can see your deadline. Once you go through with these, the app then generates goal progress charts automatically. But there is also the secret sauce of creating your goals, sub-goals. A massive goal like launch a startup is terrifying, but Griply lets you break it down into manageable milestones. Within each goal, you can toggle the roadmap view to see your timeline and ensure your deadlines are realistic. This visual feedback is crucial for maintaining momentum. And once your goals are set, it's time to build the engine that drives them, habits. So go over to the left side and you can see habits. Now here in the habits section, you can link a recurring action directly to a goal. If your goal is to run a marathon or to save profit, for example, as we have right here, you can link it to a specific goal. Griply offers incredible flexibility here. You aren't just limited to daily habits. You could go over to settings and set targets, like saying 3 times a week, 4 times a week, or something else. The app's habit statistics and perfect week trackers gives you a data-driven look at your consistency. If you miss a day, you can use the skip fail logic to keep your data honest without ruining your motivation. Now, are you wondering if we're busy doing some goals or creating goals and tasks here, what about your Google Calendar? You might be having some tasks there. What if a clash? Well, not to worry because that's something that Griply has handled already. If you go over to the top, clicking your profile name, and it's a drop down of course, you click on settings, you can scroll down to look for calendar. If you click on add calendar, you can see Google Calendar and Outlook. So you can of course merge them together. This is a great feature as it helps synergize what you're doing on Griply with whatever is happening elsewhere in other calendars. It basically brings them all together as one, so when you're doing your schedules and tasks, you'll be able to see what's happening elsewhere in a single view. Now, if you're looking at all these features and wondering how to stay on top of it while you're on the go, your Today view will be your best friend. If you go over to Today, it shuts out the whole scope and narrows it down to what you have to do today. This is a command center for your current 24 hours. It uses Task Smart Recognition, which is a massive time saver. Instead of clicking through menus, you can just give it a gym tomorrow at 6 a.m. and the app will automatically capture the task. Of course, by this we mean going to the top right here, clicking on the plus, and of course you could write what you needed to do. And you could of course type what you needed to remind you to do. At this point, we'd like to remind you that if you want to try Griply yourself, you can go ahead and use my link down below in the description to try it out for free and follow along with me. Of course, with the free, you can see you are given 2 goals, 2 habits, unlimited tasks, 9 life areas, which we mentioned before, habit statistics, and 3 smart lists, among others. But of course, if you want to go higher to get more latitude, you can look at the premium plan. You can decide to choose the yearly or the monthly. Do take note, of course, that if you're paying for the yearly, instead of paying $4.99, you get to pay $2.49. Which is a save. Of course, it has everything in the free, plus this time unlimited goals, unlimited habits, calendar and time blocking, which we explained, goal timeline, sub goals, habit targets, and more. If you don't want the feeling of paying yearly or monthly, you have the sweet deal, $119.99. This is a lifetime deal. This gives you all the premium features forever, including future updates, excluding only the potential third-party AI integrations that might come down the road. One of the standout design elements is the liquid glass interface. As you navigate between inbox, upcoming, today, insights, completed, live areas, you can see how fluid the interface is. The buttons and panels have a modern translucent depth that minimizes distractions. This isn't just for looks. It's designed to create a calm focus. When the tool feels too good to use, you're more likely to keep using it. Let's look at the menus and customizations. In the settings, which can be found at the top left corner, click on your profile icon or name, click on settings. You can come over to general and then you could change the theme. If you click on the theme, you could change it to light because this is currently dark, and that's up to you. If you want to change the number format from auto, you could change it from auto to something more familiar. And then of course, if you want the date format and the time format to match with what you're doing, that's pretty much up to you. As well as the time of the week actually starts. For some, they prefer Sunday, but for others, they prefer Monday. We're going to leave it at that because that's also a choice. Now, to ensure you're using Griply efficiently, I recommend a simple weekly review workflow. Every Sunday, head to the Upcoming tab. This view lets you to look at the next 7 to 14 days in a single scroll. Look at your sub-goals. Are they on track to hit your monthly milestone? If not, drag some of those tasks into your Today view for Monday morning. Use the priority tags to mark your non-negotiables. If you only get 3 things done tomorrow, which 3 will move your vision forward? Once you identify them, mark them as high priority, and then you see it right there. If you ever feel overwhelmed, the trash page is a great recent addition. We all overplan sometimes, so if you find yourself with 50 overdue tasks, don't stress. You can clear them out and start afresh, knowing you can recover anything from the trash if you realize it was actually important. The goal of Griply isn't to be a perfect robot, it's to be a more intentional human. The app even has an active Discord and Reddit community where you can talk directly to founders to suggest features or get advice on your setup. As we wrap this up, remember that a tool is only as good as the habit of using it. Griply succeeds because it connects the dots. It turns a someday to today. It takes the massive, scary vision you have for your life and breaks it down into 15-minute tasks you can do right now. By organizing your life areas, setting smart goals, and time blocking your calendar, you are taking control of the one resource you can never get more of, your time. In conclusion, Griply is a powerhouse for anyone who wants a goal-first approach to productivity. It moves you away from the busyness of endless lists and toward the clarity of a connected system. We've covered everything from the dashboard to the technical details of the Liquid Glass interface and the various pricing tiers. Now the ball is in your court. Success isn't just about a single big leap. It's about the small, consistent actions tracked day after day. So if you want to try Griply yourself, you know what to do. Go over to the description and try the link to try it out for free and follow along with us. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.